Eggs are a highly nutritious food that can be a valuable addition to a weight loss diet. In this detailed blog post, we will delve deeper into the benefits of eating eggs at night for weight loss, discuss the nutritional value of eggs, address common concerns about consuming eggs before bed, explore the effects of eggs on satiety, discuss optimal meal composition, and provide tips on timing for maximum benefits. Eggs are considered a nutritional powerhouse due to their rich nutrient profile. 1. Protein. Eggs are an excellent source of high-quality protein, containing all essential amino acids required for muscle repair, maintenance, and growth. Protein is known to increase satiety and help control appetite, which can support weight loss efforts. 2. Vitamins and minerals. Eggs are packed with essential vitamins and minerals, including vitamin A, vitamin D, vitamin E, B vitamins, such as folate, vitamin B12, and riboflavin, iron, selenium, and zinc. These nutrients play crucial roles in various bodily functions, including metabolism, energy production, and immune function. 3. Healthy fats. Although eggs contain some fat, the majority is unsaturated fat, including monounsaturated and polyunsaturated fats. These healthy fats support heart health and help maintain satiety. 4. Low in calories. Eggs are relatively low in calories, with one large egg containing approximately 70-80 calories. This makes them a calorie-conscious choice for individuals aiming to lose weight. Consuming eggs at night can offer several advantages for weight loss. 1. Satiety and reduced evening snacking. Eggs are rich in protein, which is highly satiating and can help control cravings and late-night snacking. Including protein-rich foods like eggs in your evening meal can keep you feeling full for longer and reduce the temptation to indulge in calorie-dense snacks. 2. Muscle repair and growth. The protein in eggs provides essential amino acids necessary for muscle repair and growth. Consuming eggs at night can support muscle recovery from physical activity and help preserve lean muscle mass during weight loss. 3. Blood sugar regulation. Eggs have minimal impact on blood sugar levels due to their low carbohydrate content. This can be beneficial for weight management, as stable blood sugar levels help regulate appetite and reduce the risk of energy crashes and subsequent food cravings. 4. Metabolism boosting. Protein-rich foods like eggs have a higher thermic effect of food, TEF, meaning they require more energy to digest and metabolize. This results in increased calorie expenditure and a slight boost to metabolism, supporting weight loss efforts. While consuming eggs at night can be beneficial for weight loss, it's important to consider individual preferences, dietary needs, and the overall context of your meal plan. Here are some considerations. 1. Portion control. Be mindful of portion sizes to avoid consuming an excessive amount of calories. 1 or 2 eggs is typically an appropriate portion, depending on your specific calorie needs and overall meal composition. 2. Meal composition. Pair your eggs with a variety of vegetables or a small portion of whole grains to create a balanced meal. Adding fiber-rich vegetables and whole grains can enhance the nutritional value of your meal, provide additional satiety, and support overall weight loss efforts. 3. Cooking methods. Opt for healthier cooking methods such as boiling, poaching, or baking instead of frying. These methods minimize the use of added fats and calories, making your egg-based meal more weight loss friendly. 4. Timing. Allow enough time for digestion before going to bed. Aim to have your evening meal, including eggs, at least a couple of hours before bedtime to promote comfortable sleep and prevent any discomfort from late-night digestion. Individual preferences and dietary needs. Take into account your personal preferences and dietary needs. If eggs are not appealing to you at night, consider other protein-rich options such as lean poultry, fish, tofu, or legumes that align with your taste preferences and nutritional requirements. Including eggs in your diet can contribute to weight loss due to their high protein content and satiating properties. Consuming eggs at night could help curb late-night cravings and prevent overeating, thus contributing to your weight loss goals. However, it's important to consider your overall daily caloric intake and physical activity levels. While some research recommends consuming protein-rich foods like eggs in the morning to reduce hunger and calorie intake throughout the day, there's no concrete evidence suggesting that eating eggs at a specific time significantly impacts weight loss. As long as eggs are part of a balanced diet and consumed within your calorie limits, they can support your weight loss journey at any time of the day. Weight gain is primarily related to a surplus in calorie intake over calorie expenditure, not necessarily the timing of your food intake. Eating high protein, Low-calorie food like eggs before bed should not lead to weight gain as long as it fits within your daily calorie goals. Yes, it is perfectly okay to eat eggs at night. In fact, consuming protein before sleep can help with overnight muscle repair and regeneration. Boiled eggs are a healthy, high-protein snack that can promote feelings of fullness. Consuming boiled eggs at night might help you avoid high-calorie, less nutritious snacks, thereby supporting your weight loss efforts. Plus, the protein in eggs may aid muscle recovery during sleep. Eggs are a fantastic source of high-quality protein, which is essential for muscle recovery and growth. Having eggs, especially before bedtime, can provide your body with necessary protein for muscle synthesis during sleep. Absolutely. If consuming eggs at night fits into your daily calorie allowance, it can be a healthy, protein-rich snack that promotes satiety and supports your weight loss goals. Note: everyone's dietary needs and responses are unique. It's always a good idea to consult with a healthcare provider or nutritionist for personalized advice. The insights shared here are based on the current understanding and research as of the writing date, and may change as new studies emerge. Including eggs in your evening routine can provide numerous benefits for weight loss. Their high protein content, along with essential vitamins, minerals, and healthy fats, makes them a valuable addition to a balanced diet. Consuming eggs at night can enhance feelings of fullness, support muscle recovery, regulate blood sugar levels, and boost metabolism. Remember to practice portion control, pair eggs with other nutrient-rich foods, and consider your personal preferences and dietary needs. By incorporating eggs into your nighttime meals, you can enjoy their nutritional benefits while working towards your weight loss goals. Like, share, comment, and subscribe for more videos.